and welcome to day one of our travel day to Disneyland California. It is currently 11:08 and we are about to leave for Dublin Airport. We are all packed and ready to go, so let's get on our way. We're flying Aer Lingus. Our flight's at 3:20, so we have loads of time, but let's get going. We just got through security. We literally just walked right up to the desk, so it was so good. And now I need to go to Boots and then we're going to head for pre-clearance. Secured the goods. We just did a little snack run and now I just finished filling the app that lets you go faster through pre-clearance. We haven't used it before, but hopefully it works. It's called NPC, and then you have all your details filled in on it, and then when you go up to pre-clearance you just like show them it and then you can go on through. Starting the trip as we mean to go on. Just for time check, it's 12:50, so as soon as we eat this we're going to head down to pre-clearance. We just decided that we didn't know how long it was going to be until we got food on the plane, so it's probably a good idea to eat here considering it's still like 2 hours to the flight, and then if we don't eat till like 2 hours or 3 hours in, we will be hungry. I got a chicken royale and chips and a bottle of water because I got these little hydration sachets in Boots. This is the tropical one, and I'm going to drink this before we get onto the plane. Cheers. Here we go! We're just heading down to pre-clearance, so I shall see us after that because stress. We got through pre-clearance and that was so easy. I had to pick up these very random wacky Woolies lollipops because there was none in the shop, but there was actually no queue at all, so we didn't even need to use the app, and we didn't have to go through security either, so that was very good. I'm gonna be boarding in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna fill up my water. I've gone for tropical, Ben's gone for lemon, lime and mint. That's what I said to you. I didn't know if you'd like it. Yeah, and then we can mint at the bottom. I think you used to be able to get 7 Up mint. Does anyone else remember that? We're going to be landing in LA at 6:30 their time, hopefully 6 because they kind of updated on the app, so fingers crossed. And our plan is for the evening is to go and check into our hotel. We're staying at the Anaheim Hotel, and then head to downtown Disney and get food and get Magic Band. No wrong for Magic Bands. We're on the way. We would ask please that you... We're just in our seats. We've got a little pillow and blanket, headphones. But we have our own headphones. And we're gonna look what movies we have. I actually downloaded the Aer Lingus Play app before we came. This is my plan of what I'm gonna watch on the flight because there's 6 episodes. They're each like an hour. And obviously, we have to watch how the magic was made before we actually get to the magic. Car lollipops ready for takeoff. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, damn it. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. 3, go. I think I'm a bit faster. Oh no, I think it's nearly the same. Nice. I am so excited because we'll be able to see all the snow. We are over an hour in and bar service just came round to give us our little snacks. Got pretzels and I went for a Coke Zero. Crazy because we're going to be landing at like 2 AM our time, so that'll be fun, going shopping and eating a full meal at 2 AM. I absolutely love these pretzels. You can actually get big bags in Tesco's. We're still watching Garfield, and after this I'm going to watch the Imagineering story. Dinner time, so let me show you what we're having. So we've got some spaghetti bolognese, which I'm very excited about. We've got some bread and some butter, a little water, and then we have chocolate orange mousse. and I think this is like quinoa or something, so I will not be eating that. Is it good?
Yeah.
Here's the bolognese. It's like little mini rigatoni, the bolognese. It's actually quite good. Time for dessert. Just before we were taking off, I learned that they have gotten rid of the mini pancakes from the old mill, which are my favourite snack in Disneyland Paris. So that's wonderful. Hello from the bathroom, just as a time check. It's 7:10. We're like 2.5-ish hours into the flight. Doing good so far. I'm just gonna like walk up and down the aisle now that it's all fully cleared from dinner and everything, and then keep watching the Imagineering story.
It's a decent sized tub.
Huh?
It's a decent sized tub.
Hey. We've landed. Okay, we are here and we are, don't know where we're going, but we're just heading towards the exit and we have to get a shuttle apparently to go get an Uber, and then we'll be on our way. It's currently, what time is it?
7.
7. So that's 3 in the morning.
3 in the morning.
Our time. I'm actually not doing too bad, so like we're doing good for.
I'm doing bad.
I'm doing okay. Let's go. It's such a nice temperature out. It says 17 degrees and we have like a little walk down to wherever our Uber and Lyft get you. We've got our Uber booked. We just have to walk across the road. Mouse! This is so nice. Look at all the fairy lights and everything, and then this is a pool, and apparently it's heated. There's the pool. Here we are, we have a ground floor, so we have a patio. That's really clean. All that chlorine. Okay, before we mess it up, we'll do a quick room tour. So here is the room. So we have 2 queen beds, I think it was when I booked it. On the nightstand you have this phone, which is so cute. Everything in this hotel is supposed to be kind of like retro, like 60s, mid-century modern. We have the TV and the desk, and it's a nice big TV. In here we have a fridge, which doesn't feel like it's turned on. We've got a little coffee machine that has some coffees and teas by the looks of it, and then just leaflets, the pizza press, which is like the restaurant that's here beside it, and then some stuff about the pool, and then you have this folder with all the random like guest bits in it. I'm actually not looking as disheveled as I thought I might be by the end of that 10-hour travel. And here we've got a safe, extra duvets, we've got an iron, that's good. And then in the bathroom, which I was planning to do my get ready with me, but apparently the fan doesn't turn off without the light, so probably not, won't be doing them in here. We do have a Hawaiian Tropic in the bath and the shower. The bath, and then we've got towels and more of this kind of cute 60s vibes kind of decor. And since we're on the ground floor, every room in this hotel has either a balcony or a patio. So we have a patio. Oh, nice, we've got a little sun lounger and 2 little seats. Just as a time check, it's 8:30, so that's like 4:30 in the morning, and we shouldn't really have sat in the bed because now we're going to want to stay here, but yeah, good idea. We're going to go to downtown Disney now, and we probably won't get food because we're not really that hungry. If you can get like pizza slices in the Naples or Napoli place that we were planning on going to, then we might get a pizza slice. First up, World of Disney. My face feels so dry from the flight. I already put moisturiser on 3 times, but I'm going to splash water on my face, and I'm very excited for it because it's a bit needed. In World of Disney, we are looking for magic bands, like we said earlier, and I'm on the hunt for like a black jumper that has like the Musketeer kind of hat on it in fabric, and it says Disneyland, and pink Crocs that have Mickey Mouse shapes instead of like the normal circle holes. And if I can get all of them right now, that'll be like amazing, because I want the Crocs for going on Tiana's tomorrow. There is the sign for Disneyland. That literally took us like 3 minutes to walk from our hotel.
Cool.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Downtown Disney. Oh my god.
What the?
What the hell? Oh, I genuinely cannot believe we're here. Here's Disneyland California Adventure and the train station. I literally, like, how were we in Dublin 10 hours ago and now we're just fully in California. This is so crazy. I don't even want to look at it because I don't want to spoil it. Look, and it's all lit up. World of Disney. Quick, let me get in and spend all of my money. Night one, let's go. See how much we can get. They still have like some of the Christmas up. I think the castle is going to be Christmas. Look how cute this is. This collection is so cute. That's like so classic Disney. Look how nice these ones are. This is like all kind of classic Disneyland. This is kind of what we're looking for, but it's new, so it might be somewhere else. This is the t-shirt that I want. All of these are so cute. Well, I definitely do miss rope drops. This one's cute, and this one, Cowboy Minnie and Mickey. This is the collection that I'm looking for, so it might be on this. There's the red. No! Okay, this is what we're on the hunt for. Never mind. That's too big. XL. Yeah, that looks like it'll be good, doesn't it? Something about Disneyland Paris is they absolutely love silver jewellery. These are so cute. They have so many gold. Lots of sweets. More sweets. This shop is absolutely massive. Look at these churro ears. And I don't know what they are. Oh wait, they're pretzels. Yeah. We've found the Crocs. Now we're just figuring out sizes. Tried them on and these are too big, so you'll have to come back another day. They have the make your own headband station. These are really cute. I can't. This shop is so massive. In any of the vlogs I watched, it did not look this big. These are so cute. They're like old classic Disneyland stuff. Oh yeah, they are similar. I have like the old ones of these, except I bought mine on AliExpress. Don't tell Disney. Got more sweets and more. They're really repping the Disneyland merch here. Disneyland Paris has like barely any merch that's specifically Disneyland Paris and has like the icons on it, except for the one t-shirt actually is kind of like this and has like 4. Ben is maybe wearing the jumper this trip, so you'll see it. I didn't know these were in white. Okay, I think the white is probably better than the pink because it will match everything. So I cannot believe that we've just knocked out 3 of the things that I wanted. All the plushes. I'm contemplating buying this trip is a Pua. Will you take a picture of me? He may be coming home with me. Oh my god, look at this home collection. Oh no, this sounds so cool. There's a whole wall of mugs. It's just what we were looking for. I do like this one. It's like Mickey in the middle and then pattern, but I don't know whether I want to go for either just full plain white or just go all out Disneyland in like one of these ones.
Oh, that's cool.
That one is cool.
Look at that one.
I'm trying to decide whether I want plain white or the white Mickey design. I think I'm leaning towards the plain. I don't know. I feel like I'm trying to be different and like not go with my heart. I think my heart is on the plain white one. People have spoken. I'm trying to decide what size to get in t-shirts. I don't know whether I want a t-shirt and jeans vibe or an oversized t-shirt and leggings vibe. Wait, never mind. Too big? The people have spoken again. I can't believe I knocked out every single thing that I wanted to get, and now it's all done. I've shopping on the one night, and I don't have to worry about it when I go into the park, like looking around for things. I can just browse leisurely. The Disney Home Shop. That's so cute. And the Disneyland Hotel I can spot. This really is what Disneyland Paris is needing in Disney Village.
Ooh, and you alone were meant for me.
So fancy. I love these so much. I just couldn't pull them off. The denim jacket. This is her universe. I've never heard of them, but that's what this collection is. And then a jumper. That's very me. This is the new Stony Clover, and it's very cute, but it's definitely not $100 kind of cute. We just came to Napoli's and got a pizza. I'm gonna have one slice, and Ben is gonna have the rest. I like I am going to end the vlog here because we have been awake for 22 hours and it is 10 p.m. now, and we are literally going to walk back to the hotel when we finish eating this and crash out and go to sleep straight away because we have to be up at like 6:30. Yeah, I told you that. Well, we have to be in the park for like 7:20, like at the park. So that will be fun. So that you subscribe, and next week I will have our full day, first day in Disneyland California. I'm so excited, I cannot wait. Just seeing it tonight was crazy. I'm so excited, can't wait. Okay, see you next week.